Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Art of Mathematica. So today I am going to do question number 5. Actually it is question number 5. So this is definitely worksheet 3, question number 5. One more question left over there. So in this question, using construction, I will show you that is it possible to construct a triangle or not. Okay, but using construction, like the question has been given that one angle is there 120, another angle is there 70 degree. Okay, is it possible to construct? If I will ask you that one angle is 120 degree and this is 70 degree, two angle. So if you add them, you will get 190 degree. A sum of any two angle is equals to 190 degree, that is greater than the sum of third angle. In a triangle, you know, in a triangle sum of three angle is what, 180 degree. So sum of two angle only is 190 degree, it is greater than third angle. So not possible, no, or one can write that equals to not equals to. So this I am going to show you that using construction. Okay, so let's see. So here that question number 5, worksheet 3, chapter 10 definitely. Construct a triangle PQR with angle P 70 degree, angle Q 120 degree and side PQ equals to 5.2 centimeter. Is the construction possible? Okay, so it is told that we have to construct, but after that they have asked that is it possible. So if I do the rough work, if I show you, listen it carefully, that 70 degree plus 120 degree if you will do then you will get 190 degree, but you all know sum of three angle equals to what, 180 degree. It is only two angle sum is greater than sum of three angle. Is it possible? Means in a triangle all three angle sum is 180 degree, but here only two angles, no, suppose these two, only two angles, suppose these two sum is 190, suppose. So is it possible? Definitely no, it is not possible. So by construction I have to show, because it is a construction chapter, so by construction I have to show. So I am going to do now same thing, that first draw 5.2 centimeter, use scale and draw 5.2 centimeter from there to this 5.2 centimeter done. After that I have to draw 70 degree angle, so I need a protector, then draw 70 degree angle here and do here. So same again, I need a I have to draw a line or ray, then 70 degree is this one is 70 degree, you all can see that. So from this point here it is 70 degree, can you see that? And you know how to draw angle using protector, how to measure angle using protector, you all know. This is our angle 70 degree. Okay, so the name has been given P, so this should be P. So the name of the triangle is PQR now. So chalo QP, that one R, I am right. Is that okay? So that is 70 degree. So by construction I have to show all these things. So now we are going to draw a ray, and 120 degree you can see that I am going to do it directly. Okay, so draw a ray, here it is. Let me draw it, wait, it down. Now as you know that this is our this called PQ, that one is P, that one is Q, and the length is what, 5.2 centimeter. So I need a compass, 5.2, here it is. You can see that exactly taken 5.2. So from this point I have to cut 5.2. Okay, Now this is our PQ. Same method I am going to repeat here again and again, and again. This is PQ. The length is 5.2 centimeters. Now at the point P I have to draw 70 degrees, so I have to draw, actually I need a, I am going to draw copied angle. So you all know that from this I have to cut an arc, and same, this is our P point, here is also P point, I have cut this arc. So at this P point again I have to cut same arc. Done. Now this measure I have to take, that is this one. I have to increase little bit. Can you all have understood now? Very easy sum, that one. And see that this thing I have to do again and again. No, same thing I am repeating again and again. Here it is. Now same put is at the point. Here it is, and cut it. Now what to do? Join and extend. Join and extend the line. So that join and extend. So it should be passes through the intersecting arc. This point. So be careful everyone. Now 120 degree I have to draw. This is Q point. You can see that this is the Q 120 degree. So here I have to draw 120 degree angle. Okay, na? In this, and definitely it is left side of the Q or right side of the Q. Definitely left side of the Q. So I need a compass only, nothing else. You all know how to construct 120 degree, no? Put at center Q. Then cut arc. After that, let me change the color. It will be easier for you to understand. Let me take violet color. So that you can understand, nothing else. That's why I am doing it. Okay, done. Now taking same radius, put the compass at this center properly and cut it. Now this you will get 60 degree if you join. One more time you have to cut, then 60 plus 60, 120 degree. So here it is. This. Now what to do? You have to join this Q point and this intersecting arc. So join it. You know how to join and what to do. If I'll join them, na? Now tell me, join and extend. More if you extend, see, you can see their distance between these two lines increase. See, this distance is increased or not? This distance is increased or not? They are more increased. That means one thing is clear to us, that these two lines never intersect. What is required actually for us, that they will intersect. Maybe there will be this kind of line. Here only you can say, but the line is like this. So if the line is like this or this or that, this, it is possible to construct a triangle. But here the line is like this. More you extend, the distance will increase. Okay, now here this part also if you increase. So understood all of you? So it is not possible. Now what they have asked, that is the construction possible? So no, it is not. Construction is not possible right now. Therefore I am going to write here. It is better to write here. No construction is not possible. Okay, so no construction is not possible. So this is our answer. I hope all of you understand well. So that's it for today.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share कर दो ना, and subscribe भी कर दो, अभी तक subscribe नहीं करा तो. So तब तक के लिए all of you take care and goodbye.